Okay, once again, you're welcome to my channel, Custom 2 Venture. Yes, thanks so much for all the time you have come watching my video. Thank you for the productive, constructive comments you have made, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. Kudos to you, you are well done. And I say for those ones that are just coming across my video today, you are awesome people. You are welcome. Okay, so today I'll be putting on this buba with guinea fabric. How to sew buba, the traditional way of men with guinea. Okay, just follow me. I've done the one with Ankara, I've done with the one with lace, and this one I'm going to use it for the guinea. Let's get there, let's go. Okay, I'll be working with the length 40, and then the wideness of the buba is I'll be using 67 when the person is on a big side like me. Okay, so I will first of all measure the front size. I've already folded my fabric, so I'm cutting it by 18. That is on fold 18. That will be giving me about 36. I've always said it's better to be on a big size. Cut it with extra inches, which can always be adjusted, instead of minimizing your fabric and having it short and you have to join. So I'll be having the length of the length I'm using is 40. Okay, 40 plus sewing allowance both sides. I'm leaving excuse me, I'm leaving it as 43. Okay, so I measure 43. Okay, 43. So can you see my 43 there? Okay, so we connect it together and I cut it out. So I cut the front panel first. Just to tell us, I run on class training. So do give this video a like. Okay, give it a like so that the video keeps going. Okay, and of course I will be cutting it as the latest in 20. Okay, so both the front and the back panel have been cut. So what do? I join the two ends. I will join them and come back to cut the neckline. Okay, but meanwhile let me cut the sleeves, the pockets. I'm able to cut chest pocket from this one because I just learned about this 7 for the front pocket. Cut 7, and then I cut 7 here too, 7 by 7. I know under the sleeve there's a piece of cloth we put there to have it very free, so you can cut a square shape, just about 3 by 3. For the bow sleeve. Let it be square so that it can come out properly. Okay, so I go ahead and cut for the sleeve. I'm cutting the sleeve. The wideness of the sleeve is I need 18, so I have it as say because of sewing allowance, and I say I need 15 and a half. I need 15 and a half. So I'm only cutting one side first, and I will cut the second side.
Baby.
So I want to cut the pockets now. I need the wideness of 8 inches, so I make it 9, and then the length is also 8. With the sewing allowance, I'm making it 9.5. Okay. So this one I'm cutting the two together. Okay, cutting the two together. Okay, so I've cut the 2 sleeves. These are the 2 sleeves, the 2 pockets, the chest pocket, and the attachment under the sleeve. Okay, it's time to cut the neckline now. Okay, so I've joined the 2 sides of the 2 sides of the front and the back. So I folded it in vertical measure, then folded it again. So I'm having something like this. So I'm having something like this. This is where I joined. Can you see? See, this is where I'm going to place my neck. Okay. So I have a template I use here. My template is 3, 36, and then 5. So I have it here because I sew a lot of it. So I can just place it like, you can create your own template too. So you place it this way. You can pin it. You can pin it. You can hold it any way you like. But let me pin it. Can you see? See, I'm pinning it. I'm only cutting the front, the upper side. Okay, so I'm good to go. Cut only the upper side, so be careful. Okay, so those I go about 5 inches down. And that's all. The neck has been inputted in it. Okay, if you want yours wider than this, if you want it smaller than this, the choice is yours. Thanks so much for watching. When I complete it, you see it.